Hello, another video, the next in my series, and today we're talking home microneedling. Home microneedling is just a great addition to a bit of home skincare. It really powers up your normal day-to-day routine and keeps your skin on track. So never ever be fooled that using a microneedling device, firstly, never be fooled that the longer the needles, the better the treatment's going to be. It really isn't like that. And secondly, don't be fooled that just needling in your own serums is a good thing to do. It's really not. They're not designed for it. They can have preservatives in that really aren't supposed to be able to get through your skin, and you run the risk of having some really seriously bad reactions if you do that. I hear a lot of influencers, yes, what a crazy word, on social media microneedling all sorts of stuff in, and it really isn't safe and it really shouldn't be done. So Tuscany have put together these little ampules. They've been tested for microneedling. They're designed for use. They look a little bit like this when you get them out. A very exciting powerhouse of hyaluronic acid and peptides, antioxidants to really get your skin singing with super hydration. So it's a really easy facial to do. It's not uncomfortable in any way, and you certainly don't want to be brutal with how you use your needling device. Wash your face first. I've already done that. Then to do a little bit of exfoliation with a product would be a really good thing. A Lumiere Du enzymatic peel, which is lactic acid based, would be really an excellent choice, or an overnight AHA serum to just lift off as much dry stuff as you can and pump the skin with water and hydration from that treatment, and then you'll be really glowy at the end of it, which is, hey, it's what we all want. My skin, I'm not doing that because yesterday I did the November facial. This is the kind of result. I'm really pleased with how that went, so I'm not doing any more exfoliation today for fear of what I might do to my skin. So cleaned face, exfoliation, lactic acid peel if you want to, and then you need to do some really good cleaning. So I'm going to use, I've got some Clinisept here from the clinic, but a little bit of alcohol would be okay, or a bit of Clinisept if you've got it, just something that really cleans the skin and prevents you running the risk of rubbing in anything that you shouldn't be rubbing in. So that's my skin nicely rubbed around. And then what you want to do is open your ampule, just like that. Flick the top so that liquid inside drops down, and then just break it apart. Break it away from you so there's not a chance of you putting the glass onto your fingers, and then just stop it out of the glass. It's quite thick. You want to just rub it around your face, not too runny, because what you want to do is for these needling devices to be rolling this serum into your skin. So we're going to put all around, all over. I'm going to leave a little bit. I'll put about half onto my face from this one ampule, underneath my chin. I want this bit as tight as possible. Thanks, for as long as possible. Rub it all around. That's that. And drop that down there. And then take your microneedling device. So this device is from Ultra Skin. It's only 0.25 mil needles, which is good because all you want to be doing is damaging the surface of your skin. Your skin is clever. The longer these needles, the more risk you've got of causing scarring or causing problems. So all you want to do is pop your finger on the little dent on the device, and gently, just like that, rub the device up and down. You're going to be making crosses and stars, so it feels a little bit prickly. My skin will get used to it very quickly, and what I'm doing is just providing gentle pressure. I'm going to make a Union Jack. That's essentially what I'm doing. A cross and a star. Remember which way round I've gone. Right. So four crosses. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're just going to keep going. up and down. You just want to be gentle, keep your finger on there so you've got a gentle pressure, and you can see my skin's going a little bit pink, but it's not going crazy pink. And what this is doing is it's telling my skin cells, the fibroblasts that make the collagen, that my skin is broken, it's damaged. And those cells will respond by going, quick, fix it, fix it. And in that thing of fix it, they'll be building more collagen and making juicy skin cells, which are going to rise up to the surface and make my skin look extra plump. But not my bottom extra plump. I don't want that any plumper. So you can see how red it is. You will see brutal pictures on the internet of people microneedling with all this blood and gore. It is not necessary. It's not necessary because you don't need to be down as far as the blood vessel layer of your skin in order to have the results. And we don't do that in clinic. Even with a pen device, we don't aim to do that. It really isn't necessary. So forehead, if you're having Botox treatments for wrinkles in your forehead, adding something like this into your home treatment to help your skin heal those lines away is a great way of stopping you needing to have Botox and every single time it runs out. I used to be a terrible frowner. I had terrible lines all over my forehead, and actually mostly just with basic skincare they've all gone away. So there we are. I think have a good go there, because that is where you get all a bit frowny, isn't it? It doesn't look so great. So bit pink. There'll be lots and lots of tiny little micro holes in my skin now, which will take up the rest of the serum, and I'm just going to rub that on. And you have to remember in this treatment you will have these tiny holes in your face, so don't put anything don't rub your hands with dirty don't rub your face with dirty fingers. Don't let the dog lick your face. That's mostly me. It's a bit grim in our house. But your skin will soak all of this up. The aftercare instructions for microneedling are included in the shop item. I will put them inside your boxes as well when they go out. But very important, no hair dye for 7 days. And that is because if you've got tiny little holes in your skin, you don't want to be pushing in stuff that runs the risk of it dyeing your skin like a tattoo. So please read the aftercare instructions. My face will take up so much extra hyaluronic acid and antioxidants and vitamins that it wouldn't normally do because the molecules are bigger. And what I should see is just a really lovely glow tomorrow. At the moment, my skin does feel a little bit zingy. It is feel a little bit tingly, but by no means painful at all. And the results I will post in stories tomorrow. But this really is a lovely, lovely thing to add into your home care. I hope you enjoyed.